Good morning, students. Here we are starting a very exciting journey, learning Python programming. This is a powerful and versatile language used in web development, data science, and more. Let's begin. Today, we are starting a very exciting journey, learning Python programming. Python is a versatile language used in web development, data science, and automation. Let's begin our first lesson. When you use a mobile app, game, or website, programming is working behind it. That code makes things happen, like animations or response when you tap the screen. So learning to code lets you create your own apps and games. Python is a programming language that is easy to learn and powerful to use. It uses simple, readable syntax, making it ideal for beginner lesson, data science, and automation. Python looks almost like English, so beginners can understand it quickly. This simplicity makes it perfect for learning programming concepts without getting overwhelmed. It's a great way to start your coding journey. Python is used in games, websites, and robots. It's a versatile language that powers many of the technologies we use every day. So, it's a great skill to have in today's world. Don't worry, you don't need to be a math genius to learn Python. It's about logic and practice, not complex equations. Anyone can start learning today. Let us write our first Python program on the board. We start with the print function, like this. Inside quotes, we put our message. Now, let's run it. And there it is. Hello everyone. Let's start with the simplest Python program. We use the print function to output hello world to the screen. This is the traditional first step in learning to code. Simple yet powerful. In Python, we use the print command to show messages. For example, this line prints the message hello world. This is the simplest Python program demonstrating the print function. In Python, we use the print command to show messages, like this print open parenthesis quote, hello comma world quote, close parenthesis. This sends the text to the screen. It's the first step in learning to code. This line tells the computer to display a message on the screen. The print function outputs the text inside the quotes. So, hello world will appear on the screen when we run this. It's that simple. Every programmer starts with hello world. It means our program is working. Let's look at the code statement. It says still, this is your first step. From here, you can build anything. Let's keep going. Congratulations, you have just written your first program. This is a simple Python program that prints hello world. It's the perfect starting point for your coding journey. A program is a set of instructions given to the computer. This line of code is an instruction to the computer. In Python, these instructions are simple and readable. This is one of the simplest programs you can write. Python follows simple rules called syntax. These rules tell the computer how to read and run the code. For example, a missing quote or parenthesis will cause an error. So, always check your syntax. Even a small spelling mistake can cause an error. For example, here in our print statement, print is incorrectly capitalized. Python is case sensitive, so this will cause a name error. Always check your spelling. Now let us learn about variables. In the code on the board, hello world is a string. You can store that in a variable. Watch, like this. Now we can use name anywhere. Variable is like a box that stores information. For example, we are name equals Alice. This line here, name Alice, is the variable declaration. This box stores the name Alice. Just like a box can store books, a variable stores data. You can name it and change what's inside. This makes our programs flexible and powerful. Now you understand variables. Just like a box can store books, a variable stores data. We store a number in a variable. For example, age equals 25. The variable age now holds the value 25. So, just like a box stores books, a variable stores data. For example, here we store the number 25 in the variable age. This is a fundamental concept in programming. Any questions? Just like a box can store books, a variable stores data. For example, here we store the number 25 in a variable named age. The variable name helps us remember what data is stored. When we print the variable, Python shows its value. For example, if x equals 5, then print x. This code, when executed, will output the number 5. Let's see how this looks on the board. Let's clean the board first. Now, let's try different values for x. If x is 10, the output is 10. If x is 20, the output is 20. Let's clear the board to start fresh. In Python, capital X and lowercase x are distinct. So, x plus x is not equal to 25. They are treated as completely different variables. Always practice by writing code yourself. Look at this equation. To solve for x, you must practice. I'll write it down. Solve for x. This is how you build proficiency. Practice daily. Hello everyone. As you can see, making mistakes is part of learning programming. When you make a mistake like right here, that's an opportunity to learn and grow. So don't be afraid of errors. Embrace them as part of the journey. As you can see, errors teach us how to think logically. I challenge our thinking and help us find better solutions. So embrace your mistakes. They are stepping stones to mastery. Keep learning. Soon, we will learn conditions, loops, and small gains. These are the building blocks for creating your own programs. And with small gains, you'll see how fun coding can be. Python learning is fun, not fear. Embrace it with joy and curiosity. Don't let fear hold you back. Coding is an adventure. Practice for 10 minutes every day. Then you'll be a master in Python programming. Everyone can learn coding, including you. It's not as hard as you think. You just need to start. So take that first step today. Great job, everyone. Today we learned what Python is and wrote our first program. I'm so proud of your progress. Keep practicing and you'll building amazing things in no time. Hello everyone, let's talk about YouTube's key features. This play button starts the video. Click like and comment to engage and share with the arrow icon. Your feedback helps us grow. Thanks for watching.